In this video, we will show you how to hide and unhide columns on Google Sheets. Many people asking for this because to hide column it's very easy. You can just click the head of the column and click hide column. You can see now my column is hidden. And if you see, to unhide is really confused if you don't know the tricks. You can see there is no unhide menu. Okay, now to unhide column you can just block the between of the hidden column. For example, because my hidden column is in here, we need to block the second of the column here, and you can right click and the unhide columns will appear. Okay, let's do again. We need to hide GH in here and click hide column, and then in the F and the I we need to block the head of the columns and click the unhide. That's all tutorial how to hide and unhide columns on Google Sheets. It's a little tricky. Hope this video helpful for you.